Hello, we already know when the next Samsung event will take place, but now the company is announcing the date officially. The next Samsung flagship phone line will be announced on February 1st in San Francisco, USA. This will be the first Samsung Grand Pack event with personal participation. According to the certification documents of the heating element, the Galaxy S23 Ultra display has a diagonal of 6.8 inches and a resolution of QHD plus 3088 by 1440 pixels. The device supports 4G LTE and 5G. Its octa-core processor has 3 clusters, one of which runs at 3.36 GHz and the other two at 2.8 and 2 GHz respectively. It really looks like a faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the same ASC version with a higher clock speed than regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The smartphone has 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256,512.1 terabytes of permanent storage. This time Samsung will start its configuration with 256 gigabytes, which will be very cool. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has 4 rear cameras, a 200MP super wide-angle 12MP 10MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom and a 10MP telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. However, certification documents claim it has 12MP telephoto lenses. This is likely because Samsung default skillet resolution of received photos from 10 megapixel sensors up to 12 megapixel resolution. Samsung's new phone is equipped with a Bluetooth USB gyroscope, a proximity sensor, an ambient light sensor, an in-display fingerprint reader, and face recognition. It measures 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 millimeters and weighs 233 grams. 5,000 mAh here without changes. Now let's get to the insiders. Aside from the 200 megapixel camera sensor on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung may not make any significant changes to the cameras on the hardware level. However, we can still expect better video quality thanks to a better chipset and improved software. According to AC Universa's Samsung upgraded 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Galaxy S20, S21, S22 series offer 8K 24 FPS video recording, so 8K videos shot on Galaxy S23 will be a bit smoother. Yes, I know that many of you are very skeptical of 8K videos, and rightly so. I understand you. 8K really little practical, especially when this mode does not have wide dynamic range stabilization and high frame rates if we compare it with 4K, for example. However, if we want a bright future, then we are getting ready. It needs to be addressed in advance, and one can't help but applaud Samsung's moves in this direction. I'm sure 8K video will improve a lot in the coming years as sensors get bigger and the image processors inside the main processors get more powerful. Some rumors have claimed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have sensor shift optical stabilization similar to the iPhone 14 Pro for improved image stabilization. However, we are uncertain how accurate these rumors are. Some other reports claim that the Galaxy S23 series will have improved white balance, higher detail, and improved saturation. Universe claims that the camera's 23 Ultra will receive the biggest upgrade in the last 3 to 4 years, so we can be optimistic about that. The million-dollar question: should we wait for the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Well, it depends on what phone you are currently using, what you need, and your budget. It's a big, fancy, expensive phone with all the latest bells and whistles. If you're looking for the latest and greatest updates and you've been waiting for this for so long, they'll be here next month, so you can wait. If you're still using an older Galaxy S10, Pixel 4 XL, or even Galaxy S20 phone, you're a few years behind at this point. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is a good option, and the Google Pixel 7 Pro is a great option too. Or wait for the S23 to launch and get the older Galaxy S22 at a discount. If you've had multiple generations of Samsung Galaxy flagships, buy the S22 Ultra or wait for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra at the end of February. We don't know everything about the phone yet, but it's probably worth the wait. With you as the channel support, like and subscribe.